Okay, today we're going to be doing a video on this AR-15 gun cleaning mat. This is made by a company called Falco Tactical, and they reached out and sent me this mat. They've seen a lot of this stuff on our channel where we do a lot of gun cleaning, a lot of gun modifying, and a lot of working with AR-15s and other firearms as well, and they figured this would be, something that would be useful for us and something that, would go well with this workbench. So I wanted to just kind of break it down. I've had the chance to use it a little bit, and it's really nice. So I wanted to take a chance and kind of show it to you guys. I'm gonna tell you what I think about this mat. Let me take this off for a second. Okay, so we have this very thick kind of foam material mat. I don't know the exact type of material. I'm sure it has some kind of fancy name, but it's super thick. It's really durable. The surface is really nice as well. I've used this a few times so far to do some cleaning, and it's been totally fine. You get a little bit of grease on here, it wipes right off. It's got a nice grippy bottom. The thickness of this mat, it's kind of hard to tell on the video here, but it's really thick. It feels good when you put your gun down. You have confidence that it's not gonna bang or. So this is my Daniel Defense Mark 18. It's one of my AR-15s. Just to give you a kind of scale, this is it folded. This is it open. On a short barreled rifle like this, there's plenty of space to spare on this mat. Even with my 16-inch AR, it's fine. Maybe the buttstock would come off a little bit. Plenty of real estate to where it's kind of the perfect size. It's not too big, and it works really well. The height of it is great. Even when I have my longer precision AR with the scope, totally fine with that. And again, the material's great. You're gonna get grease, you're gonna get gun fouling, you're gonna get some lube and different gunk on this thing, and it does clean right up, which is great. I have a mat like this that I use for my 1911s, and it's great. I absolutely love it, but obviously it's too small for any rifles or shotguns or anything like that, specifically AR-15. So I'm extremely happy that this company reached out to me and sent this to me, because I'm going to be using this a lot. So let's take a look at what's actually on the mat, because there's some really cool and helpful information as well. So on the mat, what we have is, AR-15, and then we have the basically breakdown of every single part on your AR-15, which is super, super helpful, especially if this is the mat that you're going to be using to maintain, clean, smith, whatever, put accessories on, change things out. I mean, super helpful to be able to see every single part right on the surface that you're using to work with your gun. Down here on the left side, there is instructions on disassembly and the takedown of your bolt carrier group. Also super helpful, especially for beginners, or even just to have a reminder right there. It's awesome. Can't stress how durable this material is. These are not like press-on letters either. Like, these are not going to come off. These are a part of the material. It's not like any of this stuff is going to peel off or rip off. So I love this. I think it's great. This is the gray version here, and I have another one. They come in these tubes, which is neat. If you want to store these, you can just roll them up and put them in these tubes. This is the other one I got here. The same thing, but in black. And black is nice too. Kind of like the gray though. Both good. The black might be better because it would, any type of oil or anything that would happen to ever stay there, or any smudges, the black would probably hide pretty good. Dimensions of this are about 35 inches long by 12. So it's about 35 by 12, which is, I think, kind of a perfect working area for all this stuff. I don't have to use a towel or multiple towels and rags to work with my AR-15s. Also, towels and rags don't really have a lot of cushion and provide protection when you're kind of setting down different parts, maybe kind of banging it down into your workbench. This is, definitely a much better surface to be putting stuff on, especially things that You don't want to get scratched. The back is this super grippy rubber material, so it's not going to slide anywhere. Just really thick, awesome, durable material here. So again, these mats are made by a company called Falco Tactical. They make gun mats, they make bags and different accessories for firearms, so definitely check them out. I'm going to put a link in the description for these mats where you can find them. I think they're $25, which you really can't beat. I was expecting these to be closer to $50, $60, but they're 25 bucks. So it's a great price and super high quality. So if you guys are in need of a cleaning mat for your AR-15, your rifle, your shotgun, even handguns, any firearms, if you guys need a gun cleaning mat, definitely check them out.